Welcome to Soul Euphoric, tools for relaxation, meditation, and creation. Resources to awaken access to levels of well-being. Human beings are wired to fear uncertainty. In order to survive or thrive, we adapt or change. This is resilience. Neuroscience proposes a cure for uncertainty, the profound experience or feeling of awe. This sanctuary meditation cultivates awe. Now take 4 sighing breaths. And now inhale, exhale with a sigh. Allow your breaths to get longer, especially on the exhale. And on that last sighing breath, go ahead and close your eyes. Focus your attention on your breath. Allow it to relax you. Again, inhale, and now exhale through your nose. With your eyes closed, imagine yourself standing at the top of a pathway or stairs or embankment. Breathe deeply with your eyes closed. Imagine the top of this space. Scan and take notice of the beauty before you. Now imagine you're going to walk down, move down to this space that's inviting, where you can comfortably sit. 5 or 10 steps. Begin to move down at least 5 steps to this place of beauty, deeply down, and start to sit and get comfortable in your place of beauty. Arrive safe and peaceful in your sanctuary. Breathing deeply through your nose. Take a few breaths in and exhale through an O-shaped mouth. Inhale and slowly exhale through the O-shaped mouth. Begin to notice the colors, the light with your eyes. Just take it in. The quality of life before you. Notice all the colors and the objects. Maybe there's plants. Maybe there are other creatures, or water, or trees, or mountains. Whatever your place of beauty entails. Become aware of the very air that moves around you. Notice the temperature on your skin, on your face, and in that air, moisture or dryness. You might notice that your hair moves, or maybe you hear the wind through the trees, the leaves of the grass. Notice every sound that you hear in your beautiful space. And on that air, allow your senses to be saturated with aroma and sense in that place of beauty. See either a beautiful garden or landscape. And as you breathe, you become more deeply saturated in beauty, breathing in calm, breathing in color of green of generosity, bringing in yellow of openness, breathing in red, pink, all the colors. Inhale them, feel them, concentrate in your body. Become aware of your connection with your body as that light and the colors expand. The peace, well-being, and oneness expand all the way down into your body. What would it take to be in this state continuously, fully, freely, without obstacles? Imagine drawing in all that beauty from above, below, and around you into your very breath. Inhale. Allow each and every cell of your body to be infused with beauty, light, and peace, and well-being. Breathe in the colors and let those radiant colors shine in every cell of your body until you're able to see that you yourself radiate that beauty. Breathing it in and radiating out. Breathing in the sanctuary, embodying all that beauty, infused with peace, light, oneness, well-being, appreciation, and gratitude, deeply and fully infused. Expand that body light out as you join with your sanctuary. Take in that experience of awe, that beauty that encompasses you and surrounds you, comes through you and surrounds you. Fully embody the grace and beauty and awe. Then imagine each and every time that you can return to the states of awe. You're able to access your resources of resiliency, that your interactions with other humans at work, at home, play, are fully, effortlessly in the alignment with the awe of living. Be at peace in your place of beauty. Inhale the aromas of beauty. Feel the air. Touch the ground. Connect. There is no separateness in your sanctuary. Allow yourself each and every breath you take. Fill every single cell, every aspect, within and without, with the awesome, peaceful sanctuary that you've created. The experience of awe. Breathe and appreciate your sanctuary. Be in awe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. We'll be uploading weekly new content. And leave a comment if you wish.